everybody, hope you all are doing well today. I know we're getting ready for Thanksgiving and it's within a couple days from now, so I hope you guys have everything in place the way you would like. We're going to create new memories with family and friends, and I pray that everything goes is exactly how you hope that it would turn out, okay? As well as getting ready for the Christmas holiday. And today I just want to share some things with you. As far as before I get into this video, I just want to send a very, very heartfelt, happy, heavenly birthday to my nephew, AK, and my big bro, Willie. You know, I miss you guys very, very much, and I understand why you can't be here no longer, but I still do miss you guys very heavily, and I just want to let you know I love you so, 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 so much, and preferably one day we'll see each other again and we can hug and kiss on each other down, okay? Yeah, happy birthday to you guys, but on an up spirit of things, okay, I want to share with you guys a quick little impromptu unboxing video. I got some things from Uline and I just want to share with you, and yeah, so let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, this is box number 1, and again, this is from Uline. Hey, how you like these bells in the corner? You know, I had got these from Hobby Lobby. I got 4 of them. I think they were really cute. They're great, festive for the holiday season that's coming, and I thought about putting them outside, but I kind of like them inside. So if you guys are here for that, let me know. But here's the first box, okay, and here's a big mama jamma box right here, okay? So we have some things that we got from Uline, as I said, and we're gonna cut these bad babies open and see what we got. Stay tuned. Get in here. Oh, I need a blade instead of a
letter opener.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work out. Ooh, actually, it might be. They take this joint down. Alright, so these are the tin cans. Alright, you guys, so these are the tin cans that I got specifically for those nice holiday treats. These are great for storage, and it keeps all your baked goodies very fresh. And I know you're familiar with these tin cans because you see them every single year in the grocery stores or marketplaces, and they usually have like the different type of butter cookies in them and different holiday treats. So I got a bunch of these, and it all came in this box from Uline, and I think these are like the 8x3 tin cans. That's what it looked like. So they're just empty cans, you guys, and I thought these would be a great idea to put some holiday treats in, or you know, something like that. So if you guys are looking for empty tin cans, I know they have them at Hobby Lobby and different places or whatever, but also they have some in Amazon. But I got mine off Uline because I have a Net 30 account, so I don't have to pay for everything up front. I just pay within the 30 days after the bill comes, and we're good to go. But yeah, I'm going to put some gift shreds in here, and I'm gonna put my liners and put some treats in there, and this will be wrapped up, heat wrapped, and we're gonna, you know, seal them up and let people see what we have. And we're gonna sell these at different vendor events, or you can purchase them
directly through me online or however. But yeah, so it's just a box of 10 cans. This is what's in the first box. Okay, so we're gonna get to the Big Bertha box in a second. Okay. Take 3. All right, so here's the second box, Big Bertha from. Why I keep calling this box Big Bertha? I don't know. From Uline, there's quite a few things in this one, you guys. One thing, I'm not sponsored by Uline by any way, but Uline, if you see this video, hit me up, okay? But yeah, Uline has quite a bit of things on their website for shipping and packing and all other kinds of stuff. They send out catalogs so many times within 1 month. I must say, Uline, you do send out your catalogs. And there's another one, as you can see here. This is a giant box. Very giant box. All right, so here's another Uline book. Janitor book. I think I've already have one, and just to open it up, like all your janitorial supplies for cleaning. So you can use these for your home if you have a home-based business, or you just like to keep a very clean house, you guys. You can also order this, you know, like I said, for non-business based. You can actually order some of this stuff, but they send these amazing catalogs, and you can also go online, which I tend to do a lot, and check out their website and get you a net 30 account, okay? Get you a net 30 account if you have a new business, and you know, they offered it to me and I took it ASAP, okay? It saves the trouble, okay, of making sure you trying to figure out, okay, where can I purchase, what debit card, what credit card can I put this bill on, this and that, I ain't gotta worry about none of that. They gave her a net 30 count for my small business, and I utilize it as much as I need to. And like I said, you just pay it back within the 30 days that they give you that bill cycle, and you are good to go, okay? So that part. So we're gonna move on. So they send this here, which is like a little calendar, okay? All right, letting you know they always open. And another good thing, Uline sends stuff out super fast, you guys, okay? Very fast. They go through UPS. And I ordered this stuff like about a day ago. Yeah, a day ago. What's the day? Tuesday, November 25th. And yeah, so I ordered this the day before, and it's already here. Actually, no, I ordered it on Sunday. I think it's Sunday. Either way, I can't get my dates right. But they sent this out super quick, you guys, so you don't have to wait on your stuff. They're very good by getting very quick deliveries to your front door, and yeah, it is a business saver, okay? So moving on. So I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff. They sell these too. So if you're looking for these, they sell these too. All right, so let's see what we got in the boxes. So this right here, you guys, I have this, and this is my heat gun, okay? And I have waited such a long time to get this heat gun. Don't ask me why. It's just some things that be on the list that you don't really consider a priority until you really need it. And this right here is one of those things that can be a very handy tool around the holidays or year round. If you like shrink wrapping things, get you a heat gun. And this heat gun was about, I think it was like $60 or so. So not very expensive at all. And is one of the industrial kinds, right? So it's gonna last a very long time, and it has a certain temperature that it reaches up to. I think it's up and over a little over 200 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. But it's a very good quality heat gun. We're gonna take it out the box so I can show you guys what it looked like. I'm not gonna turn it on. If you guys want a product review, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. So this is what it looked like. And it has like a little stand where you can sit it down on and everything like that. So that's what it is. Nice heat gun. Very inexpensive. Good thing to have, okay? So we're gonna move on. All right, and then I have these. These are my shrink wrap plastics, okay? So I don't remember the size. Actually, they're 16 by 16. I'm glad it's on the box. It's 16 by 16. And there's 100 bags in here. And so if you're into like gift baskets and things like that, you want to put together some nice little trees or holiday gift sets or whatever like that, this is what you need. Uline have them. I don't remember how much these were exactly, but they're good to have, like I said, if you want to make gift baskets and things like that. And essentially you just take these out and you put your basket or whatever you have inside the bag, and you use your heat gun and seal it up, okay? So you think about different beauty products that you want to seal and make a gift basket, or in my case, packaging baked goods and treats and things like that. Definitely a thing that you should get. Like, it definitely give a peace of mind that everything stays fresh for the public and safe. So here are your heat sealed bags, okay? Goes with the heat gun. All right, moving on. All right, next we have our gloves. Okay, I got these because I was running out. Typically I go out to Sam's Club and I get my gloves from Sam's Club, but I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and order through Uline since I'm already on the site. These are FDA approved gloves from Uline, and these are food safety gloves. These are nitrile gloves, and they don't have the powder in them for the ones who are allergic to the rubber and don't like the powder. I don't like the powder inside of my gloves, but these are very good nitrile food safe gloves. Uline has those too. All right, now we have a little box inside of a big box. So let's get into this little box here. And this box right here is going to be my 2 mil poly bags for my cookies, right? And I usually get my poly bags from Amazon. They're usually the frosted kind. And I thought I might try something out a little different, you know, get the clear ones and use my heat sealer that I have to seal my bags in. I'm gonna seal my cookies in. So they come in this right here, and it's 100 of these bags. It's 100 of them, okay? And they are 5 by 7 size, which is my typical size that I get. I typically make my cookies like 3.5 ounces per se, or smaller, depending on what I'm preparing myself for. And so yeah, cookie bags. All right, moving on. This right here was a free gift, you guys. If you spend over $250 on Uline or more, they give you the option to pick a free gift, and this is so cool. Thank you so much, Uline, for sending me out my free gift. Allow me to choose what free gift I would like. There are several different things under the $250 range, and I chose this, which is a computer pad for my mouse, because a long time ago I got rid of the old one and I just never replaced it. So thank you, Uline, for the free mouse pad. Appreciate you. All right. Next up is, I have no clue what this is. I have no clue what this is, but I tell you what, friend, we gonna open it up and we gonna find out together. So let's get it. All right. This probably goes to my pad. Actually, yes, it goes to the pad. Oh, it's a gel bar. Look at that, you guys. It's a gel bar. Look at that, baby. Yay!
Oh, it goes with
Yeah, it goes with the pad. Yeah.
Yeah, wrist support.
Yeah, it's the wrist support that goes with the pad. You know how you. There you go, like that. And this gel feels so cool. It's like gooey feeling. It's kind of neat, you guys. All right, so that goes with that. I didn't know what that was. Okay, but now we got to get little Bertha out of Big Bertha. Now let's see if I can pull this out of here. Boom! Look at that. Alright, so let's get into this one. These are, you can see from the inside of the outside of the box right here. These are the gift paper shreds, you guys, and it's a 10-pound box, right? It says 10 pounds, right? I think I'm right. 10-pound box. Okay, so I got the color of craft paper shred. They do come in multicolors, and I'm going to be using this for the tin cans. So remember, we're talking about gifting things for the holidays and heat wrapping them and all that good stuff for the tin cans and whatever. So I got this to go inside of here, or you can put these inside of your shipping boxes to, if you ship your goodies all over the US, and definitely give your packages, your cookie treats and everything else some cushion while traveling. See, that's all it is. Paper shreds. A 10-pound box of paper shreds, you guys. Okay, so this concludes the end of the video. Thank you, Uline, for sending these things out to me in quick, fast, in a hurry. Okay, and I appreciate the free gifts. I will be shopping with you again, and I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you like this video, you like my kind of content, make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe, drop me some comments. Let me know you made it to the end of this video. Let me know if you guys want to see me do anything else. Drop some suggestions down in the comment box. Follow me all across my social media. I appreciate you, and I hope everyone have an amazing Thanksgiving. And until the next time, you guys stay cool, be blessed, and she'll catch you later. Peace.